20 minutes on that tank of fuel today. So, nice little run for that. Nothing left in that fuel line. Horizontal engine. This is set up to run for ages and ages at this speed. So I am gonna close the needle valve and shut it off. And then, I'm gonna have to clean my camera. I'm about 2 feet away, and there's oil sprayed all the way across from the exhaust on that horizontal and this vertical engine. There's a diagonal here, and then straight out here. But I was actually gonna hand cam. Woo. You can see on that horizontal engine there's a big pool of dark oil under the exhaust. That is all, or that is largely from the earlier run with a bit of the RC fuel, because castor oil makes a really sloppy carbon mess as it goes through the engine. The vertical engine doesn't have nearly as much carbon issues like that because it's just got like 3-in-1 oil, and 3-in-1 oil doesn't carbonize as much, which is another reason not to run the ethanol or the alcohol RC fuel, is it's just so much sloppier than the gasoline. So, alright, well, I'm going to take these down for the day and start to clean up.